Hey everybody, I would like to do a DIY log of my garden hose repair. As you can see here, there are two pinhole leaks at that spot, and this hose connected to a garden hose roller right there. So that's how I roll in my garden hose. Alright, so I'm gonna show you this repair. It's quick, easy, and it's very good to the environment. You don't have to throw away this 100 feet long garden hose. You just cut off the part where it's leaking and make the fix to it, and you have a working hose again. Alright, let's get started. Alright, I went to Home Depot and I got this. It's a 5/8 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch hose repair kit from the Home Depot. It's made by Orbit. Alright, as I mentioned before, this hose is connected to this roller through a female end, as you can see there. So I need to remove that female end. However, it's very difficult to do that because there's calcium carbonate buildup over time. So you would need to use one of these bad boys right here. These are crescent wrenches, and I got a heavy duty one right here. Most likely I'm gonna need that to loosen up that female end. Alright, I was able to take the female end off the roller, and this is the part that I cut off right here. So what I need to do with this is that I need to put a female end on this part so that I can reuse the hose again, because this part right there is no good anymore because I cut it off. Alright, so the Orbit repair kit comes with female and male end parts, as well as joint part to combine two hoses together. Here I just need a female end part, which is this part right here. What you do is you stick this end right here where the threads are into the end of the hose, and then you're gonna use this clamp here. You're gonna clamp it in and hold it down with this. So you're gonna loosen the screws and clamp it in. It's pretty simple. So I'm gonna do it and show you how it looks. Okay. Alright everybody, so I loosen the screws on the clamp, and I push the clamp through push the hose through the clamp, as you can see there. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick this other end right here, this piece right here, into the hose, and then I'm gonna clamp over this piece right here, this end of this piece, and with the clamp, and that's gonna hold it in and prevent leaks. Alright, hey everyone, so as you can see, I was able to push this female hose fitting into the hose with the help of hot water. So I had to dip it in the hot water and make the hose flexible and malleable so that it can be pushed in easier. Yeah, I highly recommend using hot water for this part. Alright, so I put the clamp on at the ends there, and the part where on one side of the clamp there's a depression, a groove, so that's gonna face inward. Okay, and then the flat end on this side right here, that faces outward right there. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so I was able to screw the female end onto this hose recoiler here, and there is a slight leak from this joint, just very slight, but I think it's okay. It's not a major leak at all. I think so it'll do. Yep, so there's there was a DIY log of the repair there. I think it's Definitely a worthwhile repair kit to get, so that you can just repair the ends that are needed to be repaired, and you don't have to throw away this whole length of the hose. Yep, it's worth it. All right, that's the hose repair kit right there. Got it from Home Depot. Definitely worth it. Okay. Hey guys, one other thing I want to point out is that this kit right here, it comes with these washers, and they're very critical. Make sure you stick a washer in the female fitting or in your sprayers, because otherwise it will leak. So always put in a washer in the hose fitting. All right.